Chewed up plants and slimy trails? Yes, snails have been busy in your garden. These sneaky, night-loving pests feast on tender new growth and thrive in humid conditions, especially around damp spots like garden beds and mulched areas. Snails are nocturnal creatures coming out at night and early morning to munch on your plants, leaving behind a trail of destruction. But don't worry, here are Life is a Garden's 3 easy, effective ways to kick snails to the curb. First, get hands-on. Grab a torch and check your garden at night or early morning when they're most active. Look under leaves, around plant stems, and in cool, damp spots like piles of garden debris. Pick them off and relocate them far away from your garden. Next, outsmart them with snail trap stations. These traps attract snails, luring them in and keeping your plants safe from damage. No fuss, just results. And for extra protection, try eco-friendly snail baits. These eco-friendly and pet-safe baits use iron as their active ingredient, making them effective without harming the environment, wildlife, or your pets. Sprinkle the bait in the late afternoon just before the snails come out to feed and watch their numbers drop. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. No more chewed leaves or damaged plants. Find everything you need for a snail-free garden at your local GCA Garden Centre. Visit lifeisagarden.co.za to find one near you.